In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dual monitors in Zoom. If you're working with two screens, this setting can make your Zoom experience much more comfortable and efficient. It allows you to separate different parts of the meeting across both monitors, which is especially helpful during presentations, webinars, or when you want to keep participants visible on one screen while viewing shared content on the other. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on. To begin, open Zoom and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Zoom screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access your personal Zoom options and account-related settings. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window, where Zoom lets you control different features for meetings, audio, video, and display preferences. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Meetings and Webinar, and click on it. This section contains options that affect how your meeting windows behave and how Zoom displays content while you're in a call or hosting a session. Once you're in that section, scroll down through the available options. Take your time here, since Zoom includes a lot of settings and the one you need may not appear right away. You're looking for the option related to dual monitors or dual windows, depending on how it appears in your version of Zoom. When you find it, click the circle next to dual window to enable it. This turns on the feature, so Zoom can make use of both of your monitors more effectively. If the circle fills in, that means the option has been selected. After enabling the setting, you can close the settings window. The next time you're in a Zoom meeting or webinar, Zoom will be able to display separate windows across your two screens, helping you stay more organized and giving you more room to work. As a quick tip, make sure your computer is already set up to recognize both monitors before testing this in Zoom. If your second screen isn't connected properly at the system level, Zoom won't be able to use it correctly. It's also a good idea to join a test meeting so you can see how the layout behaves before using it in an important call. That's all it takes to turn on dual monitor support in Zoom. Once it's enabled, your meetings can feel much cleaner and easier to manage.